Should children be given access to AI? AI is now everywhere. AI is accessible to anyone with a device. But should children have unrestricted access? The upside of AI for learning: AI can enhance learning, explain difficult concepts, generate practice problems, act as a tutor, encourage curiosity. The downside of over-reliance can weaken critical thinking. Instant answers can replace how we struggle. The real issue is guidance, not access. The problem isn't access. It's how AI is used. Treat AI like a calculator, helpful when fundamentals are understood, harmful when it replaces foundational learning. AI literacy is now part of digital literacy. Digital literacy must include AI literacy. What children should learn: how AI works, its limitations, how to verify information, how to think independently. The right question: the future will include AI. So the real question isn't if children should use it. It's how we teach them to use it responsibly.